Alright, welcome back to my channel. Yes, the beard is gone. Wasn't really looking forward to doing it, but at work I had to start wearing a mask and it kept sliding down. So I went ahead and shaved it to see if it helped, and it did. But I got some big news. I'm no longer working that job, which is the one I hated. Monday I'll start a whole new job. So I'm back on day shift. Love the hours. It should be a lot better work. I just couldn't stand working where I was. I didn't want to do that. And anyway, it is going to be a little bit of a pay cut. But I think it'd be better for me all over. I did not like the way they worked at that place, because it'd be 2.5 hours before you take your first break. Excuse me, which is fine. That's the maximum they can go. Then 2.5 later be lunch, and then that's it. That's all the breaks you get. And yesterday they had put me in a new department, which is okay. I like that work a lot better. The only thing about it is it was 3 hours before I was able to take the first break. Oh no, it was weird. It was only 2 hours later when we took lunch. Which, okay, I was like, well, I was thinking to myself, maybe the hours were different in that one. But the thing is, I worked 4 hours after that with no break. And I was like, no, that's against federal regulations and stuff. I did not like it at all. Which I've already put in for several positions before this. And called about one because it was an immediate opening. Like I said, it is a pay cut, but it's a daytime job. Perfect hours. I mean, it's basically the hours that I had on my job that I was working at for 9.5, well, almost 10 years, 9.5 years. I was almost eligible for my jacket before they let us go. So, which the new company, I don't think they would, because one became eligible and I don't think they ever got their jacket. The only difference is this one I will have to wear steel-toe shoes or boots, which I do have in the house steel-toe shoes already, so that's not a problem. And I don't have to worry about these rubber boots, which that was one of the other problems with the new department. When I went to the new one, I'd have to take my rubber boots off and then put another rubber boots on. I'm wearing somebody else's boots. I came home and noticed my legs was itching, but I had a rear rash on my chest. It did clear up, so luckily it was just something slight, but I think I am allergic to something that was in that particular department. So I was like, I'm going to call that place since they haven't called me back and see what happens. So I called them. They looked at it and asked. They was telling me I need to update my availability, which I already did, which is the reason why I decided I'm going to call, because I've already got all that taken care of. And it was just hour later maybe, they called me. So I go in for orientation tomorrow, and I start work Monday. And it's either going to be 8 to 4 or 7:30 to 3:30, which means exactly 8 hours. But I do know, reading the description, there are some times that they could go up to 10 hours. That's fine. I'm back on day shift. And 30 days after can get hired. So this is a temp to hire. So I'm really excited about that. Now, getting back to the beard, I did still have the mustache, but it just looked kind of funny, so I decided, well, I'm gonna go ahead and just take it off. I trimmed it down all the way down, but I haven't shaved it. I'll do that tonight when I do my other shaving routine, or in the morning, because I do got the go for the paperwork and orientation at 9 o'clock in the morning. So that's one of the things I was going to talk about on this video. Good news about having a better job. Hopefully the one I like. Definitely sounds like something I would enjoy. Something I've been used to before. I don't have to worry about smelling raw material like I was. But the other thing, news, other than, if you can't tell how cloudy it is in the background, yeah, it's been storming last night, raining, but I got the last bit of stuff I need to be able to install the windshield on the city's end. So hopefully I can get that in pretty soon. The suction cups that I bought to help me move the windshield in and out, I ordered them. They supposed to came in Thursday, which was today, and I think they came in Monday, might have been Tuesday. It was one of those 2 days. The other material stuff, the tools that I purchased, which I had to get through LMC, they supposed to came in Saturday, and they ended up coming today, which is Thursday. So that's excellent. So unfortunately, though, like I said, I won't be able to put it in because it is raining right now. But since I'm on day shift again, I should have a lot easier time be able to work on the truck, work on the vehicles. Because working that second shift and those, not knowing when to get off, I got where my body was like, couldn't figure out when it wanted to go to sleep, when it wanted to wake up. Matter of fact, I had plans on going to get some more socks because I'd get off work, my feet would be nearly frozen numb, which that new department didn't get it as cold. And I think I woke up like at 10 o'clock in the morning. Didn't have to wait to work until 3:30, and then I just closed my eyes for just a little bit longer. Next thing I know, it's 12:30. So by the time I get ready for work and stuff, it won't be too long. It'll be time for me to get up and go. So I didn't do it. And I don't think I would have been able to work today anyway if I would have went in, because shortly after I ate breakfast, I could just feel my whole face, just my face and my neck area, just felt like it was on fire. It didn't feel sick, but it definitely felt heated up. But then again, I could have been alright, but I just, like I said, I am glad I'm not having that. But right now, I am running up to the store. I need to get me some more drinks for my room. And get a few groceries and odds and ends. Anyway, I'll leave the video here. Hopefully I'll be able to get a video going about getting the windshield in and out, or out and in. I guess I should say it in that order. So look forward to that, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.